Good morning, student. Today we have to discuss about the topic virus and friendly aspect of microorganism. First, we have to discuss what are viruses. As we know, viruses are also microscopic, but they are not considered as microorganism. They, however, reproduces only inside the cells of the host organism, which may be bacterium, plant, or animal. Common ailments like cold, influenza, and most coughs are caused by viruses. Serious disease like polio and chickenpox are caused by virus. Disease like dysentery and malaria are caused by protozoa, whereas typhoid and tuberculosis, commonly known as TB, are bacterial disease. In this figure, you can see the diagram of viruses. It is its head portion, it is its neck portion, and it is its tail portion. Now we have to discuss about the microorganism and us, and under this topic we have to discuss friendly aspect of microorganism. It means how microorganisms are beneficial to us. Microorganisms are beneficial to us in a number of ways. First, in the field of food industry, making of curd, lactobacillus lactic acid bacterium, which is used to make curd from milk. These bacteria multiply in milk and convert into curd. The churning of curd yields butter. In food industry, it is also used to making cheese also. Certain lactic acid bacteria turn the milk sour. They convert lactose sugar milk into lactic acid. Molds are used for ripening of cheese to give a characteristics of flavor and aroma. Second friendly aspect is commercial use of microorganism. That is, commercial use means large scale industry. In case of large scale industry, they are used for large scale production of alcohol, wine, and acetic acid. And the microorganism which is used for commercial production, that is known as yeast. Yeast is used for commercial production of alcohol and wine by the process of fermentation. And student, what is fermentation? That is conversion of sugar solution into alcohol is known as fermentation. Who discovered fermentation? Louis Pasteur discovered fermentation in 1857. Third beneficial aspect is medicinal use of microorganisms. They are also used for preparation of antibiotics. And what are antibiotics? The medicine which kill or stop the growth of microorganisms are known as antibiotics. The growth of the microorganism are known as antibiotics, and some antibiotics are streptomycin, erythromycin, chloromycetin, etc. Antibiotics are even mixed with feed of the livestock and poultry to check the microbial infection to animals. They are also used to control many other disease or plant disease also. It means antibiotics are also used to check the bacterial disease against the cattle and other animals and plant also. In medicinal use, it can be used in preparation of vaccine also. What are vaccines? Vaccines are antigen prepared from the pathogenic bacteria to promote active immunity without causing disease. These have dead or weakened microorganisms introduced into a healthy body, and the body fights and kills invading bacteria by producing suitable antibodies. Several diseases including cholera, tuberculosis, smallpox, and hepatitis can be prevented by vaccination. Who discovered vaccination? Edward Jenner discovered vaccination for smallpox in 1798.